Okay, guys, if you received a copier that you purchased from us with a stapling finisher, just the way you see it here, there's two covers we remove for safety reasons, just so that they don't break during transit. And you're going to receive two covers. One of them looks like this. It's a skinnier version of this, which is a fatter version of it. So you're going to receive two covers. In this video, we're going to show you how to install it. It's a lot easier than you think. So first off, we're going to get the skinnier one, and we're going to come to the back of the machine, and you're just going to put those hooks right in there. And let me make my way over here. Let me hold this here for a second. Go ahead. And all you got to do is pop that in there just like that. It just snaps right in there. Now I made my way over to the front side of it, and we're going to do the same thing. There's a hook there, and there's a hole there, and we're just going to pop that. We're going to lock that in there just like that. And the same thing, you're just going to push that in there. I'm not going to go ahead and push it now because I don't want to install it, but all you got to do is just push it in there, snaps, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.